Hello guys, this is a tutorial for people who wanna create a second channel uh, with the same email on a mobile phone. So here you just go through to you just go to Chrome. After that, you just type here YouTube. Okay, but let us. I want it to go through the website YouTube. So you see, this is YouTube Chrome, and after that you go to your channel. You see there is a name there. Okay, there is a settings. You go through the settings. After that, this is the way, guys, to create a second channel on same email. You add or manage your channel. Okay, let us wait. So you see on your account you see your channel, and there you create a new channel. As you see, I already have 3 channels. So if you have or you own one channel, you will see your channel name here. And now you wanna create a new channel with the same email. You just click create a channel. After that, you see there is a text here. You just text here under a create. Okay, just wait. You see there is a brand account name. You just create it. If you wanna create a channel for tutorials, you just type anything here, and then after that you just come here and click create. This is how you can create your YouTube channel, guys. This is how you can create your YouTube channel. I think we all are watching. Now your channel is created. If you wanna create a new channel, you see it's created now. This is how you can create your YouTube channel, your second YouTube channel. This is the channel. Now you see it need you to upload your videos and so on, guys. Now subscribers. Okay, I think, guys, if you need more more videos about YouTube tutorials, I'm gonna be posting them on here. This is the first video for tutorials. So if you wanna see some of the videos, please do subscribe in this channel, and I'm gonna be sharing you how to monetize your channel or how to grow a channel. These are the steps we are going through. We are going to use, guys. I'm out.